So when I made the Botany Kit, I made it so it was very simple and easy to use. You have a sprout and grow window, so you can put the soil in there and you can put the seeds in. And when it sprouts and grows, you can see the actual shoot come up and the actual growth of the roots down and the shoot and stem and leaves growing out of the soil. So it's great to start understanding how seeds germinate. So I gave you different herbs so they can look at different herbs. And one of the things you can do on the virtual supports is plant the different ones, and you can look at that sprout and grow window and talk about plant growth. So it would go really well using that one in the gardening kit, getting them to understand how different seeds germinate, and you can actually see the roots starting to come out and the actual stem and leaves of the plant as it germinates and goes out of the soil. You can start seeing all of that. So that's why I did the botany kit to focus on the growing of the seed, because it goes along with the gardening kits that then they can do hands-on gardening at home. You can show what's going on under the soil as they plant things at home in the spring. You can use that sprout and grow window because they're looking at it from the top view or from the soil. They don't think a lot's going on. But as you plant them in the sprout and grow window, you can do the same seeds that they plant at home in that window and talk about, well, we don't see what's going on under the soil, but with the sprout and grow window, you can see the actual process of the seed germinating. I think it's really cool to make those two connections between the gardening kit and the botany kit. They're really connected in my eyes. It's also part of me being an avid gardener and also a biologist and a biology major in college. So just a great way to start using those things, talking about seed growth and plant development.